Okay, so hi there. So I have a little project in mind that it's probably gonna bite me right back on my ass. Namely, I'm gonna make a barbecue fork. Now, this is for my dear friend who's getting married, and he's really a nice guy, and he's actually one of the first people I ever gave my knife. That was back in the days, I don't know, 6-7 years ago, and it was really a shitty knife. Well, I was proud of it back then, but I know it's shitty. I'm gonna try to find a picture and put it up here or something. And so he's getting married, and I have a knife that's available, and I decided to not to offer it to anybody, but to give it to him. And then I remember he really likes barbecues and whatnot, so I'm gonna forge a barbecue fork. Forging forks isn't really my thing. I did a few of them over the years, and actually found my first attempt. As you can see, I've never finished it. It's not really good, but anyways, I'm gonna actually be forging 3 of them. No, you're not. One from 10mm square stock, one from 8mm round stock that's stainless, and I'm gonna use the same stock as this one, which is 10mm round bar. And then I'm gonna choose which one fits the knife best, and I'm gonna give it to him as a set for a wedding. Now, this is actually a day before I'm gonna be forging tomorrow, so I have no idea if I actually managed to forge one that looks okay.
You bet your ass you will.
And as I said, I'm not really into forging forks, but it's fun. A bit tricky for my set of skills, but I think I'm gonna manage. I'm not gonna do anything complicated or fancy, anything like that. They're gonna be basically 3 similar forks. Of course, I'm not gonna be rounding the corners on the round stock. I'm gonna kind of do a curve and some decoration, not much. So I'm gonna be forging 3 of them.
No, you're not.
One is gonna go to my friend. I'm gonna give one to my dad for his barbecue, and if all 3 of them come out okay, I'm gonna leave one for myself. Or
Will you please stop? You're not forging 3 forks. Will you shut up? I'm trying to record a video. I'm just saying, you're not forging 3 forks.
just ignore him. That's my future self. He's such a douchebag.
Well, first of all, you don't know how to forge a fork.
That is not okay, I'll give you that one, but I can push through and just learn it as I go.
Not while forging 3 of them at the same time, you want. And secondly, 8mm? Really? And stainless? You're such a dumbass. Anyways, while those 2 idiots were fighting about how many forks I'm gonna forge, I actually did all the forging, so I'm gonna be taking over. As you can see, I'm inside. It's way past midnight and I'm that tired, but I wanna finish this so I can edit the videos in the morning or something. I actually did ended up forging only 2 forks over the course of 2 or 3 days. I don't have much time in the shop, so 2 or 3 hours, and I'm not skillful enough to forge 2 forks in 3-hour session. Yeah, that's it. The next 10 minutes or so are gonna be footage of me forging. If you want to watch that, that's great. If not, you can skip using the chapters down below to the end, where I'll be showing both of them. Or if you don't even care what they look like, you can go to the last chapter where I'll be announcing a giveaway. So, two forks. The first one was forged from 10mm stock. It's a bit more petite than the one I did than the other one. This is the other one. As you can see, this one is a bit more stumpier. Yeah, it's a bit shorter but much stronger with what do you call? Yeah, they're similar but different, unique in their own way. So it was a fun project. As I mentioned before, I'll be giving one of them to my good friend as a wedding present. I'm gonna be giving him this one. Let's call this one the petite one, because I think it matches the knife much better than the stockier one. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a picture of a set of a knife and a fork together, or you can just check my Instagram account if you're a follower, and then you'll see them. And as I've been hinting over the Instagram and in this video, I'm actually gonna give this one away through a giveaway. The official giveaway post will be on my Instagram account the same day when this video pops up, so you can check it there, and or you can just leave a comment here under the video and you are in. If you go to my Instagram page, you can see 2 more ways to enter, and then you actually can use 3 spots. I'm gonna leave the giveaway open for about a week or something like that, and then I'll use a random number generator and give away this rustic stumpy barbecue fork. It's actually quite a nice fork. I mean, I like it. I think it's gonna be useful. It's nothing fancy, it's just plain mild steel, forged to shape. It's not perfect, it's not masterpiece, but it's a cool fork. I think so. So if you like to win one, just comment here or go to my Instagram account, and you can follow the rules there, and then you can possibly win this fork. I'm gonna be covering worldwide shipping, so no worries about that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and yeah, I'll see you soon, probably with a knife video or something like that. Okay, thanks. Bye.